Hello guys, hello everyone, what's up? Now I'm at the Tatuapé station, subway station, at the Tatuapé subway station, and I'd like to show you guys a little of this place, okay? Here is my city. You know, I am Brazilian and I'm learning English. I have been studying English, okay? So help me to improve my English, okay? There, can you guys see? There, Tatuapé Mall. The mall is very, very famous in São Paulo. Very famous. There are a lot of people that walk and visit this place because it's cool, it's nice to be here. Sometimes I come here because it's fun. It's very, very fun to be here. Many Brazilians like this place. Okay? Unfortunately, we Brazilians are in quarantine because of the coronavirus, but you guys can see it's very, very beautiful. São Paulo city is beautiful. I love this place. My city is lovely, and I'd like to share it. Hopefully you guys like it, okay? There are a lot of people here. Thank you guys, okay? Let's keep walking, okay? Let's keep walking. You know, I am Brazilian and it's my pleasure to share videos and curiosities about São Paulo city, because maybe you are American or British, and maybe you'd like to visit São Paulo someday, one day, okay? So you can see São Paulo city. Brazilians are crazy, no worries, okay? Brazilians are crazy. Thank you guys, thank you. See you in the next video, okay? My name is Paulo, or my Brazilian name is Paulo. Bye bye. Woo! Woo!